How to install update iOS 17.1.2 on iPhone. Recently introduced this update. Go to settings of your iPhone, tap on general tab, and here tap on software updates. Unable to check for updates, so turn on your data and checking for updates. And iOS 17.1.2, this updates provides important security fixes and it's recommended for all users. Tap on update now. Enter your passcode and updating will start. Use cellular data to download. Tap on continue and update requested. About 2 minutes remaining and your updating process is underway and verifying updates. Your phone will turn off automatically after some times, and your iOS update 17.1.2 successfully installed. Check here, go to settings, tap on general, software updates and checking for updates, and you will find here iOS 17.12 iOS is up to date.